Okay guys, so I had been bugging some of you guys online about body drain plugs. And I think I was probably confusing a lot of people by what I was talking about and maybe wasn't describing it very well. Here's what I was talking about is these plugs, and I think it's for when they dip the entire body, they put these holes in it so that the excess stuff can run out and drain. But then they come back and put this metal plate in those slots, put some seam sealer around it and stick it in place. Well, being stupid, I took these out. I took pictures, I thought, but all the pictures I have seam sealer all over them, so I can't really tell what's going on. So you see, this is one of the drain plugs I have here that I pulled out, but and you can see that little radius in that corner there. I originally thought this was supposed to kind of go in here like this. You know, that goes down and then you hammer it in place. But I don't think that's actually the way it goes. I think that you start folding that little thing in half. So then it goes in here like this. Then that little tab, you bend it out, but then you hammer that area that's sticking up flat this way. I think if you guys are looking at your cars and see something different, please by all means send me a message or comment or whatever. But that is the way I think it's supposed to be done. Oh, by the way, this is the reason you don't throw away these old panels until you're completely done yet, because it's good to know. The other thing is what I noticed was I can tell which way the plug goes by where the undercoating isn't. So the reason I think that is this. If you look, this is one of the ones in the trunk, or it's the only one in the trunk. It's kind of covered up in seam sealer, but I think you can kind of see this right here is that tight side. Like I said, it's hard to see with all the seam sealer on. I think it's squeezed in there and then just hammered over. So that's what I'm gonna do to put these back in. By all means, if you guys, probably not the best light. Let me see if I get this one. That's a little bit better. If you guys have other information for me, by all means, please give it to me, because I'm not sure I'm doing this right, but that's how I'm going to go from now. Alright, thanks for watching. Okay, so yeah, I'm almost positive that's the way it goes. So you can see I put it in there, hammered it over like it was, like that, and that's the way it grabs on the bottom side, and there's the front, or I guess in this case it would be the back, the other end, and this thing's nice and firm. So I almost positive that's the way it would go, and then you just seam seal. What I'll probably do is I'll put some seam sealer underneath as I install it, and then over the top to make sure it gets nice and sealed. Okay, there we are.